In today's video, we're playing the new update. My friend's pretty new to this update, so we're just gonna be playing it to help him. Are you on top of that pillar? Hello?
Where are you?
I'm coming. I died.
How?
The red green monsters somehow psychic. Cause if I move like 1 inch, it will somehow notice that and come and kill me instantly.
But then you'll stop moving completely.
Okay, I'm coming. Just wait.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna join a public lobby and then I'll tell you what the code is. I press join random no PvP. Dang it. Here, let me try that again. Aw, dang it.
That's the same guy who.
Like you like men.
Oh, Scott! Yo, bro! I found one! Hurry! Hurry! Aw. Dang. Someone joined as soon as I said that.
Yeah,
You know, I'm gonna find one with only 10 players. Come on. Wait. Bro, here's one. I found one.
Yes.
Hurry! The code is 840424. Hold up. There's too many people in here. I'll tell you once someone leaves. Eight 840424. But there's too many players in here. Dang it. I'm gonna wait. That's what I'm doing.
Yo, how do I turn my gun blue? Who wants to bring the ghost?
Who's your money?
One.
Flashlight.
Bro, there's
Where's the
bro,
flashlight? I need
I
the
get, bro.
flashlight.
I think I know how to do this.
Okay, what does your face look like?
I think I know. I think I know one. Let me see if it's actually true.
Run off.
Bro, I know a code. Join it. It's code 2. Code 2. Just 2.
What's a cyst monster?
Yo, there you are. Okay, guys, let's go to the haunted house. Yo, White, come here. Bro, come on.
What is a cyst
Here.
monster? It's a lot of money, you should know.
Back up.
Yo, bro, White, come on.
Hey.
Guys, let's go to the haunted house.
What up?
The haunted house?
Hey, I know that guy.
Come on, guys, let's go.
No,
Hey.
you don't.
Hey!
Guys, let's go to the haunted house.
I ran out. I'm fine.
Guys, let's go to the haunted house.
Go back!
Yo,
back.
yo, guys, who wants to come to the haunted house with us?
Chat.
Yo, White, come on, let's go. Guys, let's go to the haunted house, guys. Let's go to the haunted house.
Oh,
Come back.
Guys, I know where the key is. Just follow me. Just follow me. Guys. White, come on.
Let's go to the haunted house.
Yo, where's the other guy? Yo, the other guy that's going to the haunted house. Where are you?
In the haunted house.
Okay, we're coming.
I heard his gun. Oh, he's right there. Hey, come on, can you hear me? Yeah, I can hear you.
Guys, I died. I'll be back over there. I'm coming.
Did you die?
Yeah, the dumb fish got I got close to the dumb fish. Bro, who keeps on doing that? Stop!
Wait.
Bro, stop! Oh my god! Bro, some guy keeps on pulling me back!
Pull him back.
God. Yes. What is that? I don't know. I want to know what that was.
Okay, I'm coming to the haunted house!
Get him! Get him!
Are you guys at the haunted house?
Are you here?
I'm coming! There you guys are!
I hear him.
Guys, go change to channel 1! Change to channel 1!
Alright.
how do you die?
Alright, go guys.
How did he die?
Guys, let's go!
Please help us! Please help us!
We will,
We are
come
so
on.
scared! No. She keeps coming out of nowhere and killing our search party! She keeps coming out of nowhere and killing our search party!
It's true! It's true!
No! Johnny, go! We're the most
We gotta get out!
No! You be my Dash! You got Dash, come on! She's here!
Guys, we gotta make it, guys! Hey, when we do get there, we gotta make it to the bottom really fast!
Yes! Hey, Joe, we made it! Hey, we made it! Hey, we made it! Go!
Wait! Wait! Hold up, wait! Wait!
Go!
Wait, stop! Make it to the bottom! Make it to the bottom before you die! Make it to the bottom before you die! You gotta make it to the bottom before you die! Ready? Go down!
How do we go down there?
You have to get down to the bottom before we die! Go!
Yes, it may turn your game upside down, but trust me.
Hey, you can just put it inside.
Oh no!
Your hands will turn it.
Oh, stop. Bro, please, stop. Bro, leave.
Hey,
Guys, jump into that black hole. Jump down. That's your only way out. Jumping down is your only way out.
Look, you can buy one.
White. There, White, come here, come here.
Yes!
Look.
Jesus!
Look, White.
I don't have enough.
I know, I'm gonna get you one.
I don't,
Here you go, White.
guys, I got a railgun! Okay, guys, how do we get out of here?
Here you go. Wait, White,
come on, you
White,
just gotta do
What do
it.
you have in your backpack?
I don't have anything.
Can walk on the lava.
Hey, I got.
Guys! Yo!
I gotta turn around.
Yo,
Jen. I
White,
gotta
White,
turn
come
around,
here.
Jen.
Stay here. Come stay here with me. You guys go. Go sell the stuff. You guys go sell the stuff.
Alright. I'm going to that green
I just need a little more.
Oh, okay.
Look, wait. Yes! Now we can go.
They sold it.
Ready? Hold up, ready? I'm gonna bounce back. You can use it to leave. Woo! Oh, hurry, get over here. Just shoot it, shoot it. Yeah, come over here. Look, come over here. Now look, shoot it right from right here. And you land up here.
Oh. Sick.
Hold up, I'm coming. Just go. And don't, we have to get up to that black hole and we'll go back to spawn. You blast yourself up to it. Blast yourself up to it. Just use it.
Jeez.
Come on, let's go.
I'm gonna die.
Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back again. Let's get a, wait, hold up. Okay, yo, put this in your back. Oh, the lag.
Hey, who?
We're coming to the...
Not today, not today. Run, guys, run, the new monster. Run, run, run. Where's the new monster?
You can see me.
Go, go, go. What? No!
Go!
Bro?
Wise, where are you?
Guys,
Come on, let's go.
Guys,
Hurry,
there.
hurry, come on.
Come on.
Let's go to the... Come on!
Go.
Wait, yo, White, stop! White, stop! White, stop! White, look at me. Drop your thing and grab your backpack. Now, grab your backpack. No, wait, let me see mine. That's mine. Now hold him and let's go down there so we can get one of those gems. Okay, guys, don't go down here. Be careful. Try to get one. The camera! Try to, no, not the other one. Not that one. Make it to the bottom. Hurry. Okay, just jump in the hole. Just jump in the void. We can only grab one.
You can? Carry it in my hand, gang.
What the heck? Hurry, grab it.
Let's go.
Okay. Blast off.
Oh!
I made it! We have so much weight, we're gonna have to walk. We have too much weight, we have to walk. Okay, wait, yo, bro, come here. White, come here. Right here. White, come here. We're gonna have to blast from right here. Right here, look. Yeah, hurry. Yeah, come up here so we can go around that hole. Okay, get ready to blast off. Okay, let's go sell our stuff, hurry!
Damn.
Go throw your backpack in there,
No! Killer likes to kill people.
Guys, let's go.
Hell yes!
Josh!
Hell yeah!
Throw your backpack in there.
Bro, I hate this.
That was close. Just throw it in there. Let's see how much we get.
How much money?
Ooh, that's a lot.
Banana, everyone
It's still in there.
Oh, here, let me dump it out. Let me dump it out.
You bastards! No, report.
Woo! Ah!
Okay.
Okay, yo, bro.
Wanna do it again?
Let's go back again. Let's go get a flashlight again. Wait, get a backpack again. Get a backpack.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, no.
Bro, what's my ring?
Change it. Now.
Yo, wait, I got a thing. Look, I got it.
Ready?
Here, let me get a backpack and I'll put it in your backpack. I'll put it in a backpack for you.
Like fool, bro. You like Black Ben, bro. Bro, I'm right here.
Yo, White.
Demo twerk.
Come on, let's go. Dang it. Yo, bro. Guys, down there, that's why you're running. I'm ready for a life.
Huh?
No. Guys, we must do this.